Water is life's basic need. But what if we made it cool? We added art, tech, and the culture of Web3. That's what Ape Water is all about.
It all started back in 2022 when Itai Leffler, a consumer's good expert, and Andrew Bagg, DJ Cobra, came together with this novel idea. Let's bring premium spring water to Web3.
They weren't just trying to sell water, they had their eyes set on something much bigger. They wanted to bring the premium spring water from Mount Shasta to aluminum recyclable cans that had no microplastics. What really makes Ape Water special is the blend of Web3 into something as simple as water. Each can features a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT. But what is an NFT?
An NFT is basically proof that you own something. And with a lot of collections, they hand over IP rights, which is the intellectual property. So imagine like owning a Mickey Mouse, but licensing that out and getting paid for it. So in the case with Ape Water, they did something similar with the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Owners of that NFT were able to license their ape to Ape Water and get paid for it.
But there's more. Each of the cans has a QR code that allows you to scan it and unlock all kinds of crazy things. You can unlock AR games, digital collectibles, and even exclusive content from your favorite artist. Imagine going to a festival and scanning one of these cans that has a geofence around it, which only allows the users at the festivals to unlock this exclusive content. That's where we're at with Ape Water.
This innovative approach actually landed Ape Water onto a Web3 series called Killer Whales, which is kind of like Shark Tank, but for Web3 businesses.
And for all my fellow crypto fans, Ape Water accepts Apecoin. It's one of the first drink brands to actually accept crypto, and it's one of the main reasons we're featuring it as part of AIP 440.
And if you want to know more about AIP 440, go check out our website, unboxingweb3.com. If you're a brand that accepts Apecoin, hit us up, let us feature you. Ape Water isn't just about the drink, it's about bringing people together. It's about community. From arcade all the way to big festivals like Ape Fest, Ape Water's been making waves in the water industry.
And they're giving back too. Each can sold helps fund environmental cleanup. So it's not just about being innovative, it's also about doing some good too.
Yeah, and the founders call Ape Water the Gatorade of Web3, and I think that they're on their way to achieving this vision.
Ape Water even launched the Water Club NFT. This allowed me to get free cases of water, exclusive merch, just for being a holder of the NFT.
Not only did people like Dilly get free merch by having the NFT, but also the NFT came in 4 different tiers that gave you like a variety of different utility, from the merch to event access to even licensing opportunities and royalties.
So if you want to know more, go to drinkthefuture.xyz and figure out how you can get a water pass too.
Now let's get to the unboxing. Ape Water was kind enough to send us what they're calling the Ape Huge package. It retails for $99 and it's available right now. Dilly's gonna open that bad boy up and show us what's inside.
Awesome, yeah, super excited about this. We're gonna start with the box that it comes in. So you have Ape Water branding on the side and then the Ape Water logo over here. What's inside of this box? We got the cooler. Now this thing is awesome. It has their logo all across the actual package itself. The branding is incredible. It's an insulated top, and then you actually, one of the nice things is the leather strap that holds it all together. So I really like this cooler. It's really good quality. That's just the first item that comes in the Ape Huge package. The second item that we're gonna talk about is their thermos. This is a 37-ounce thermos. This thing is awesome. It has the metal imprinted branding on the actual thermos itself. Just like a Yeti, you have the top that opens up so you can drink from it, and then you have the other vessel that twists off as well to fill it. And this is a high quality thermos. They did not skimp in quality for the products themselves. Finally, we got the cap. This trucker hat has embossed lettering and logos with the puff print, and it's a standard trucker hat, but it has their logo on the side as well. This thing is really good quality, and one of my favorite pieces. I definitely rep this in Lisbon for Ape Fest, so was rocking Ape Water all around. Finally, we got the water. The water comes in a case like this. It's cans of 12, and the can is what we're here for. So this is the water. Same thing, metal imprinted logos, and you have the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT right here, as well as the QR code that we mentioned previously. So you can scan this for different activations, digital collectibles, whatever an artist or brand wants to integrate for their festivals or events. But what's really ideal about this can is the crack of the can opening. So let's do that. One of the things that the judges on Killer Whales really like is that it opens kind of like a beer. It has that crisp sound and the taste is incredible. Refreshing. And this isn't just a water, it's a statement. A way to stay hydrated while supporting innovation, art, and sustainability. Yeah, so that's it for Ape Water. I mean, the packaging, everything, they definitely elevated the experience for the consumer. I really enjoy Ape Water. I think it's one of the best utilized IPs in the space. What do you think, Guccheetah?
I love what Ape Water is doing. I think their branding is on point, and that "Don't Be Thirsty" hat is brilliant. I need to get myself one of those. But yeah, the water's fantastic. They're absolutely killing it.
Yeah, I think Ape Water killed it. They're gonna continue killing it. And so, I mean, what do you guys think? Do you think that Ape Water is the best use of IP in Web3? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more unboxings. We'll see you in the next episode. Peace.